Welcome. I'm Hannah, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly add a new sheet in Excel using a simple keyboard shortcut. Adding new sheets to your workbook is easy and super quick with this shortcut. Let's get started. First, make sure you're in the workbook where you want to add a new sheet. You'll see your existing sheets as tabs at the bottom of the screen. To add a new sheet, simply press Shift plus F11 on your keyboard. A new sheet will instantly be added to your workbook, and it will be named something like Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and so on. You can easily rename the sheet later by right-clicking on the tab and selecting Rename. Here is a quick tip. You can also use this shortcut to add a new sheet in the middle of your workbook. Excel will automatically insert the new sheet to the left of the currently selected sheet. That's it. Now you know how to quickly add a new sheet to your workbook with just a keyboard shortcut. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Sheet Leveler for more great Excel tips and shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.